Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here from my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. So listen, I need 18 offers for $5. That is most likely not gonna happen. And I was really hopeful about the larger bonus, which I think for that I needed 55 for 10. I don't know if I would hit that either, because I feel like the deals are not quite dealing. At least for me, they're not. I'm going to share with you the deals that I came up with. Most of them I will not be doing. Real quick, you guys, this is so off topic. Look, I had, oh my gosh. I sent a picture to Chat GPT, like an age progression picture for 10 years. I'm going to post up with Chat GPT sent me right here. This is supposed to be me in 10 years. Y'all know I'm 48. So this is going to be me at like 58. I'm going to show you my picture and I'm going to show you the one that they progressed it to. I have two different ones. I was like, OMG. So I had to share it with you guys. I think it's freaking hilarious. I would encourage you guys to do the same and see what pops up. But like, I have these pictures in my phone and they are like freaking me the hell out. I did one for Josiah as well. And I was like, oh no, that don't even look like him. And so, but yeah, I thought it was hilarious. But let me just stop yapping. We're going to head to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. Did I say subscribe? I don't think I did. Listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button. Support your girl. With that being said, we're going to head to Walmart. See what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl into, keep on watching.
All right, guys. So this first deal is on the Kellogg's Rice Krispie Treats. I'm doing this deal again. I'm going to go ahead and grab the original ones. This store doesn't have that other one that's on clearance for $1.50. And I'd rather get these anyways. I tried one of those and I'm really not too fancy about it. Not that I'm going to be the one eating them, but I'm going to go ahead and get the original ones. They are on rollback for $2. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 4. Paying $8 out of pocket, I'll submit for $3 back on checkout 51 as well as Swagbucks, making these only 50 cents each. And of course, we're grabbing the Pringles again. These are on rollback for $2. Grabbing 4, you'll pay 8, getting back 3 on checkout 51, 3 on Swagbucks, making these only 50 cents each as well. So next up is the Pleasy hydration drinks. These are on rollback for $167. You want to grab one of these, getting back 75 cents on Ibotta, makes these only 92 cents each with a limit of 5. And next up is the Violife Creamer. It is on rollback for $3.96, getting back $3 on Ibotta. Makes it 96 cents each with a limit of 2. And so, yeah, I think I'm going to get some because I'm actually on my last carton right now. And so your girl can use a restock. Oh my God, I'm so sad. They don't have any. I was going to grab the True Zero Sugar again since it popped back up on Ibotta. They are priced at $4.22. You'll get back $4.50, making that a 28-cent moneymaker. It's funny because today is Josiah's donut and chocolate milk day. So we had to take that to school for his class. And yes, I sent him to school with 2 bottles of the zero sugar. I hope the kids like it. Hey, it's lactose free and it's zero sugar. So, I mean, with the what? I don't know. Hopefully they like it though. But anyway. All right. So next up is the Pedigree Jizzlers. This is on the 8-pack. They are priced at $6.48. I have an offer on Fetch Reward for 6,000 points or $6 back, makes it 48 cents. Now I do have the OTC offer. It's on the small packs, but I'm gonna see if it'll work with this. If it does, then it'll max out at I don't know, 98 cents. And so it'll end up making it a small money maker. I'll let you know what happens. I know I saw somebody post that there was an offer on Shopkick. I haven't been doing Shopkick, so I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up for one of my customers. And so Yep. Okay, so Glade, $2.38, $1.50 on Ibotta. Makes me 88 cents each, number 3. When of you guys asked me about this, selling these on offer up, I listed all mine yesterday and I sold them all. I sold them in sets of 3 for $4 and they sold all for me. So I'm gonna do a mix and match so that I can complete some other sets so I can continue to sell them for sets of 3. And so yeah, not a bad deal. All right, so next up is the Purcell. These are priced at $5.44. I still have a couple $2 peelies for these. So that'll bring the total down to $3.44 out of pocket. and then we'll get back $2 on Ibotta, make some 144 each. Now there is still an offer on Fetch Reward for spend 30, get back 3, and so definitely we'll be tracking for that as well. So this next deal is on the True Skin. I was looking for the one that has the N on it. It doesn't look like they carry it here though. It's priced at $13.68. Grabbing 2, you'll end up paying $27.36. You'll get back $4 for each on Ibotta. There's also $9 for buying 2 on Swagbucks. And then we've also got $3 back for each on Checkout 51. Makes it $2.18 for each one, which is definitely not a bad deal, especially if there's something that you're going to buy anyways. The other thing I wanted to go over is on the L'Oreal Hydro Renewal right here. It's priced at $6.42. Grabbing one of those now. I did this deal yesterday. I put a post up on my Canyon tab. When I posted it, it only had like 45 minutes left, so it probably most likely is no longer available unless you have it on your list already. There's an offer for $5. There's also an offer for $3 as well. So you're gonna grab one at $6.42. You'll get back 8, making us $1.58 moneymaker. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab this deal on the Shea Moisture Bar. Priced at $5.98, getting back 4 on Ibotta, $1 on Fetch Reward. It makes it only 98 cents.
I never do this.
It's there.
Like, I never do this. I never do this. But this stalker just irritated the hell out of me. Like, I grabbed 3 of these off the shelf. I can't climb up there and scare it myself to see if there's a 4th one up there. I asked her. She said, do you know for sure it's one up there? I said, I don't know. That's why I'm asking you. She goes, well, I don't want to go get the ladder, and if there's not one. I said, well, that's why I'm asking you. If I could climb up there, believe me, your girl will climb the hill up there like freaking Tarzan and grab one. She irritated the hell out of me. Like, did not want to fucking go over there and freaking get a ladder. I'm like, God, are you freaking... Is it too hard for me to ask you? This is your job? Like... Oh my God. Anyways, but she really was not trying to help me. And y'all, if you know me, I do not like inconveniencing people. If I could have climbed up there and looked myself, I really would have. But she just was not trying to do it unless she knew for sure that it was something up there for her to get. I'm just like, really? If you feel like that, then maybe you should take a break, or maybe you should just go home. Anyways, so listen. I think my rant is over. I scanned these on Swagbucks, okay? I know it says multivites, and I'm literally on my last one right now. But I scanned these on Swagbucks, and it came up, all right? I know it's not in the description, but it did come up, so I'm hoping that it works. I did print off some $3 coupons off coupons.com just to confirm it is coming up. And so I'm gonna grab 2 of them again. They are priced at $5.98. And so 2 of them is going to be $11.96. Now I do have that $3 coupon from coupons.com. And that should bring the total down to $5.96. We'll get back 7 on Swagbucks. It'll make it $8.04 moneymaker. So if I grab 4 of them, it'll make it a $2.08 moneymaker. I'm going to go to regular cashier because the last time I used this coupon, it didn't work in self-checkout. Now you can grab the B12. That one is priced at $6.58. So 2 is $13.16 minus 6 in coupons. You'll pay you'll pay $7.16 getting back 7. Makes them 8 cents each, which is still not a bad deal on the B12s. But I have I think 4 B12s from the last time still. So I'm going to go ahead and grab these because this is what I need. And so yeah. Other than that, I will see you guys at home with the final breakdown. All right, guys, here is our complete haul for today. This worked out pretty good. It's a small haul. I'm not gonna complain though. We're not gonna complain. This did cost me a bit, but I'm okay with it because I needed the creamer. I needed the Vital Fusion, and this is just like his favorite soda right now. It's the Wild Cherry Sugar, 0 sugar. So I had to get that for him. I did get that from Food for Less, $1.75 when you buy 4. And then, so you'll pay 7, get back 3 on Checkout 51, and 3 on Ta-Da. Makes them like 25 cents each. And so I definitely want to do that. Of course, more Pringles. I did pick up the Rice Krispies with the Pringles, but then I realized I don't have it on Checkout 51 anymore. And so I had to return that. But I submitted the receipt on Ta-Da, so it's still picked up the Rice Krispies, so I'm pretty sure I'll still get credit for it.
But if I don't, hey, I didn't even get it, so it doesn't even matter. Um, I tried the OTC coupon on the pedigree. It didn't work. I went ahead and grabbed those anyways because I have a customer that likes those. I gave her all of my single packs, and so she requested those. So I figure I'll probably sell those to her, probably for like 3 for $10. And so yeah, and so other than that, this is a tiny little haul. I think I only had like maybe 4 or 5 receipts, which is always awesome. And so everything you see here retails $85.82. We had $12 in coupons. That was on the Vital Fusion. Those did not work in self-checkout, but they did work with the cashier for me today. Out of pocket is $73.82. I'm getting back $22.60 from Ibotta, $19 from Fetch, $14 from Swagbucks, $6 from Checkout 51, and $6 from Tada. Getting back a total of $67.60 back. Nets this at $6.22. It's not bad. Look, that's like paying for one of the Vital Fusion and getting everything else for free. I am not complaining. And so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, and I really apologize for the rant, y'all, but I was just in my feelings right then and there. And so I apologize for that. But listen, if you have a job dealing with people and you don't like dealing with people, then you should find another profession. I'm super nice, y'all. Look, I'm super nice, super friendly. Like I said, most of the time I climb up there and get what I need. I'm not gonna go bother someone to help me. But if I go and I bother you to help me, then I need you to help me. Not do the same thing I'm doing. We both up there reaching and reaching and looking and looking. I could have did that on my own. But anyways, y'all, I did say I was done ranting. With that being said, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.